Now, the second type of covalent bond, that is double covalent bond. Double covalent bond is formed by the sharing of two pairs of electrons. Two pairs of electrons means four electrons between two atoms. For example, double covalent bond mostly formed in oxygen molecule, in carbon dioxide and in ethene. So we will discuss how it is formed. Double covalent bond is formed in oxygen. We know that atomic number of oxygen is 8. It contains 6 valence electrons. So when two oxygen atoms which contains 6 valence electrons, so both oxygen atoms need 2 more electrons and to complete 8 electrons in their outermost shell and achieve electronic configuration like neon inert gas. For that, they shared their electron because it is not possible to transfer, to gain or to lose electrons. So both oxygen atoms shared their two pairs of electrons, and when they shared their two pairs of electrons, they form double covalent bond, and by this way two oxygen atoms combine together by double covalent bond. In case of carbon dioxide, carbon combined with two oxygen atoms. We know the atomic number of carbon is 6. It contains 4 electrons in their valence shell, and so that carbon has 4 electrons in their valence shell, while oxygen contains 6 electrons in their valence shell because oxygen atomic number is 8 and electronic configuration is 2 and 6. So the two valence electron of carbon shared their electron with this oxygen atom, while it has 2 more valence electron left, so that it also combined with another oxygen atom, and this oxygen also contains 6 valence electrons. That's why the left 2 valence electron of carbon shared their electron with another atom of oxygen, and by this way carbon and oxygen combine together by double covalent bond. Now the third type of covalent bond, that is triple covalent bond. Triple covalent bond is formed by the sharing of 3 pairs of electrons, means 6 electrons between two atoms, and mostly it is found in nitrogen molecule, ethyne molecule, etc. So how it is formed we will discuss now. In case of nitrogen molecule contains 2 nitrogen atoms. How these 2 nitrogen atoms combine together and to form molecules? We know that atomic number of nitrogen is 7 and electronic configuration is 2 and 5. It means nitrogen contains 5 valence electrons, and we know that valence electrons we use to draw the dot structure. So here when 2 nitrogen atoms combine together, both nitrogen atoms have 5 electrons, so they need 3 more electrons to complete 8 electrons in their outermost shell, so that they shared their electrons. How many electrons they shared? They shared their 3 pairs of electrons. This is one pair of electrons, second and third pair of electrons, and 2 nitrogen atoms shared their 3 pairs of electrons, so that 2 nitrogen atoms combine together by triple bond. So students, how C2H2 combine together? C2H2 ethyne contains 2 carbon atoms. So we are here drawing 2 carbon atoms and 2 hydrogen atoms on its both sides. We know that atomic number of carbon is 6 and electronic configuration 2 and 4. So it contains 4 electrons in their last shell and hydrogen contains 1 electron in their last shell. So carbon share its only 1 electron with hydrogen. This carbon also shared its 1 electron with hydrogen, and when it shared its 1 electron with hydrogen, then carbon has total number of electron. This carbon has total number of electron 1, 2, 3 and 4, and this one is 5. Now it has 5 electrons, so it need more 3 electrons to complete 8 electrons in their last cell, so that this carbon shared their 3 pairs of electron with this carbon atom. And when it shared their 3 pairs of electron with this carbon atom, then it has completed its 8 electron in their last cell. How it is? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Because I told you shared electrons are counted with both the atoms. So this electron is counted with both the atoms, and by using these electrons, carbon complete its 8 electrons in their last shell. This carbon also contains 8 electrons in their outermost shell now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. How hydrogen completed its electronic configuration like helium? When it shared with 1 electron with this carbon, completed 1 and 1, 2 electrons and behave as inert gas helium. This hydrogen also used the shared pair of electron and to complete the 2 electrons in their last cell and behave as helium. By this way, both carbon atoms share their 3 pairs of electron, so they both are combined together by triple bond, while one carbon combined with hydrogen by single bond.
Thank you.